Hey guys, and welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we're gonna look at how to connect Instagram on your Bumble account. Now let's begin. Well, as you can see, I have already logged into my Bumble account. In case you have not, do log in right now. This right here is the interface. Initially, what you have to do is simply click on the top left button. It's your profile picture along with your name. Just click on it. Then this page will open up. Well, right here, what we need to do is simply click on this linked account button right here. You will find it in the date profile tab. I'm just gonna click on this linked accounts button right here. And right here, you're gonna see something like connect your Instagram and connect your Spotify. Do note that I have already logged into Instagram in this browser. So I'm just gonna click on this connect your Instagram button right here. Well, as you can see, as I had already logged into Instagram, something like this opened up. If you have not, it might ask you to enter your username along with your password. And once everything's done and okay, hit on allow. Again, hit on allow. And guys, that's it. That's how we connect your Instagram to your Bumble account. It's quite easy. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.